Hey YouTube, just want to show you a quite a random video on how to connect your uh, PlayStation 3 to your computer monitor, and it actually works just with sound and everything. So what happened was my room TV spoiled, so I had a spare computer monitor from HP, and it had a HDMI port on the PC monitor. So what I did was I plugged the HDMI cable from the PlayStation 3 to the computer monitor, and voila! And didn't even need to use the three color cable. Only the HDMI cable. So once you plug it in, very first time, just need to read this, and then you can pause at this screen. So basically, you can hear the sound coming out from the computer monitor, and all that was needed was the HDMI cable. Nothing else. No other cable needed. So if your computer actually doesn't have a HDMI port, then you can actually get this adapter. You see, it's a HDMI to DVI port. So if your computer has a DVI port, you can actually get the converter, which it would probably cost about $5 to $10. So yep, something interesting. I didn't know that it could actually work. So well, that's all. Please subscribe, and thanks.